This is Opie. Just wanted to give a special shout out to Miss Christy, Vicky Dalton's niece. We hear that you're in the hospital and you're not feeling very goody. And we're very sorry about that. And just wanted you to know that we'll be paw praying for you and that we're thinking about you. Because we sure don't like it when people are sicky and they don't feel goody. That's because we're boy dogs. Woof, woof. So we'll be thinking about you, and we'll be paw praying with our old big boy paws. Hope you get better soon. Woof, woof. This is Henry Memory. It's from Miss Vicky. We sure hope you get to feeling better soon. We hear that you're in the hospital, and we're thinking about you. We wanted to give a special shout out to your two little girls, little Courtney and Haley. Woof, woof. Wanted to tell them hi from Opie and Henry Memory. And we're boy dogs. We sure hope you get to feeling better soon. We hope your day is goody. And we're thinking about you in the hospital. Woof, woof.